Okay, we're live on scene with Sandra here, my lovely assistant. And we did a little edging video a little while back, and I was showing how I do an edge. And quickly what I do is I make sure the spade is sharp. Again, I always talk about that, and it's sharp up and down the sides. So when you're doing your edge, you can go along and carve out your edge. And you're using the side of the spade too, so that's why it's important to make sure the spade is sharp all the way around. What I found out here when I was with Sandra was Sandra didn't have the strength to go along like I do. So what we did was we devised another technique that Sandra's going to show us here. Come on in, lovely assistant.
Okay.
Sandra, say hi to people, Sandra.
Hi, people.
Okay, so what Sandra's going to do is make it easier for herself, and she's going to go along and put the edge on. Go ahead and show Sandra.
As her first time. As her first time.
Sandra's claiming she's a first time edger.
Just want the people to know. Never edged before, ever.
It'll be beautiful. Okay, so she's going along, and she's making the edge first, and she's pulling the stuff back a little bit too to loosen it up along the edge. Okay, that's great. Now what she's going to do is she's going to go along and get that stuff out of the edge. Just pop it up on the soil. Don't throw it too far throughout the garden. You want to keep it relatively close. Try to pull it and try to get it out by the root. Don't snap it off. Hear that sound? That's not a snapping. Get the grass out. Okay, now it's in. Go along and clean up your edge as best you can. Now, edging takes some time to really learn how to do a good edge. It's almost an art. You can't rush it. You've got to take your time when you're doing an edge. What she's doing is she's trying to throw the soil back up into the bed. Make sure you get the grass and everything else out so it's not regrowing in the spring for you. Okay, so if you have a look at the edge, that's not a bad edge that Sandra did there. It's not bad at all. So what I like to do after, in fact, that's almost perfect there. So what I like to do is once she's done the edge like that, is just go along, and I'm not pushing that hard. I'm just working my spade nice and slowly like this. And I'm just creating a little bit of an angle on it and feathering it into the old edge there. Just like that. Again, get that stuff out of the garden. Loosen it up, get that stuff away from the edge. You don't want your edge going back in again. Sandra, job well done.